Hello, I'm Alex. I'm going to show you how to use this timer or controller for the boiler. So this is a boiler. The electric one. Okay. So this one is a switch for it. You can see the switch is on. And if you need more hot water, you can see this square key. It has few functions, up and down. If you press down, see, 1 hour on. Have you heard? Now it is turned on. Here. If you press one more time, 2 hours, you can repeat this procedure to give it more time to heat the water. Maximum is 9 hours. So if you accidentally press on this key, you press continuously until 9 hours, press again, it turns it off automatically. So this one is the controller for the switch. So now you understand. So this boiler is only for our hot water. The radiator is not installed actually. Okay, so how to set the timer? So this is, you can see this is the set. Here, press on this key. You can see this is the Monday to Friday. Yeah, it has two mode. One mode is daily. So from so you have to set Monday, Tuesday, until Sunday. And another mode it is I'm using is from there are two mode from Monday to Friday and the weekend. Okay, the switch for this one is at the back of the controller. You have to disassemble it and adjust the switch at the back. Then you can switch to everyday mode or weekday or weekend days. It's a little bit complicated. I mean, one mode it is everyday setting. It's a bit, you have to set every day. But basically, my mode it is on weekdays and weekend. I hope you can understand this. All right. So we start to set the timer. So set. Press set. So Monday to Friday. So this is for the radiator, because I don't have radiator. Yeah. For the heating. So I press on arrow key. Now it is for the hot water. So you can see this is for the Saturday and the Sunday, SS. Alright, so it will be on. So I press again because this time is up. Press again. So I set it on in nearly 2:30, right? And if I want to amend this, I need to press on select. See, this one is flashing. I can adjust to start from 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. I'll put it back. Alright. So once the on time is set, here you can press set key again. So this is the program 1. Yeah, you can set lots of program for one day. It's reset back to again. So when I want to set, I press on set. make sure it is for the hot water. Of course, you have radiator, you can set the radiator one. Alright, so I'm going to set the Monday to Friday hot water. Okay, and I press on select, then the arrows flashing, so I can adjust it from, so I put it back to 2 o'clock, 2:50 in the early morning, Monday to Friday on, then it is from Monday to Friday, then I press set again for the next. So again, just now I think I pressed something not right here. I'll show you again, sorry about this. So I press this one, yeah, so I'm sure I'm using it for 22 past 2 o'clock in the morning for Saturday. Then it's going to off. So when it will be off, I set it to 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, this is program 1. Okay, I press select again. So you can set the time, yeah, I mean the minutes again. Then is program 2. Now you can see it's for Saturday to Sunday. So it will be on in the afternoon again. Yeah, you can adjust the time. For example, start from 1 past 1 in the afternoon, and press again. It's going to the program 2 off, right? So it will be off. I think I set it now 2 o'clock. Yeah, so it will be on for 1 hour for the hot water. So this means hot water. Alright, so press again, so I can set the minutes. So then this is program 3. Yeah, so we'll be on 6 o'clock in the evening, 6:20. So press again, we'll be off 8:18. This is for Sunday and Saturday. Okay, and press again. So this is back to program 1. I remember it only has 3 programs. Yeah, so it's back to here if you want to adjust again. Alright, so now if you press on set again, then you can change it to, this is now Saturday and Sunday. I press on this one. So now it's hot water Monday to Friday. Yeah, so you can repeat the procedure. For example, this is the 2 o'clock, 2:50 in the early morning, Monday, Friday. Hot water will be on, then will be off 6 o'clock. Of course, you can adjust it. Alright, so I adjust it to 5 o'clock, and if I want to adjust it to 1 minute to 6 o'clock in the morning, will be off. So I believe you understand me now. Okay, so if you done it, you can just leave it like that. After 15 seconds, it should be back to normal. Okay, you can find the menu in the details underneath of this video, under the video. I hope this is can help you, and if you have any question, please ask. Oh, by the way, this one, if you press up, that's for the radiator. This is for the, can you see this? This look like the suitcase. Yeah. If you press on this one twice, if you go into holiday mode, that means it will be off for 1 day, 2 days. It depends on how many days you are going for your holiday. Alright. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, press subscribe. This is Alex. Bye for now.